Hi everyone! In this video, we are going to check if we have enough knowledge to be able to test the REST API. Let's begin. We have learned what is API, what is REST API, what is REST, and what the REST architecture constraints are. There were a lot of terms, definitions, and schemas on our path, and a lot of coffee and coffee shops examples. It feels like it is time to read the story we wanted to test at the start of the course and check if we have enough knowledge to test it now. And the long story short, no, we don't. Theoretical knowledge about the REST and REST constraints helps us to understand the big picture. And it is very important, but that is not enough to be able to start testing. Still, we need to test this feature. Let's start to deal with this step by step. Let's start with the first sentence. The new QA will need to call this endpoint. For a newbie, the first part of the sentence is clear. The new QI need. But the second part, to call this endpoint, can be totally new for you. When somebody asks you to call the endpoint, it means exactly the same as if somebody asks to send a request. So the first question we need to answer is how you can send the request. And we already discussed this in previous videos. The client, and by a client I mean browser or another client app, is one that sends the requests. So you need a client app. And in our course we are going to use the Postman app. It is a very cool app for API testing, and you can send a request with it. Another benefit is that it is free and handles most of the scenarios we need. We will have a separate video where I will introduce you to the Postman interface. For now, all that we need to know is that Postman is the client app, which can send the request to the server. So the first step is done. We have the app to send the request. Now we need to know how to send the request, and this we are going to learn in the next video. Thank you for watching. If you like coffee or coffee shop, leave a thumbs up, if not thumbs down. See you in the next video.